Just trying to give you guys the YouTube tea, okay? Hello guys, it's Vlogmas day 5, and today I just want to finish the house, decorating the house. So we're gonna get all this Christmas stuff together, and I'm probably gonna do a little speed cleaning for you guys because I have like a ton of laundry that I need to get done. So let's get this day 5 started. I'm actually starting really late. It's like 5 o'clock because I've literally done nothing today except be lazy and do my schoolwork and my homework. So yeah, let's get this show on the road. Seriously, who lets their closet get like this? Like, what is wrong with me? Why do I wait so long to do my damn laundry? This is embarrassing. Okay, y'all, I just finished my closet and it's a hot mess still. Like, I literally hate everything in here. I just want to trash the whole thing. I think at some point I'm gonna go through my whole closet at some point during this Vlogmas, because this is not doing it for me. Annoying. I hate my wardrobe. Hey y'all, I just got out the shower. I'm about to do my hair because I'm tired of walking around looking like a bum. But I don't know if you could tell, but all those like dry spots are not on my face anymore. I just kind of have like some hyperpigmentation, but my skin is looking good. I'm about to do this Hydra Boost mask. So let's do that. I don't even know if you could hear anything I just said because I have my fan on, but I love this mask. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And there's always so much serum in the bottom. I love how they leave the little eye parts too, so you could like close your eyes and put it over your eyes. So good, so good. And there's like so much serum in here. I'm about to rub it all over my body. Like, look at this. Ah! I'm about to put this on my legs. I'm about to make another green juice while I wear this mask.
So it literally makes like a liter of juice, and I just literally drink it throughout the day. So what's up, Bill?
Nothing. I need some more.
You thirsty?
Hey guys, I'm in my YouTube studio. I just finished doing my hair, but I wanted to show you guys what you need to start your YouTube studio. So we're gonna start with the basics, like your lighting. So I have two softbox lights. There's one right here, one right here, and then I have my ring light right here. I don't know if you could see it because it's like, yeah, there we go. That's my ring light. And then I have a adjustable vanity light right here for when I do makeup videos. This is nice because when I have my camera set up here, I can twist this to the side and it won't get in the way. Another thing you need is a tripod. This is a really nice tripod, and I just connect my camera right here and it sits there and records me. I have this monitor. It's actually a TV that I've had for like ever. My mom gave it to me, I think. But all I did was I bought this HDMI cord and I plugged this into my camera right over there, and I can see myself right here while I'm filming. So a few little knickknacks. I don't use this microphone, but I need to start using it. I'm just like literally scared to use a microphone because if it doesn't work, I will die. It's an adapter into my MacBook, and I can plug in USB and I can plug in my SD cards in here, so I can load everything right onto my MacBook. Another thing that I use is this 1 terabyte hard drive. So this is an external hard drive. My entire life is on this. Like every single video I've ever had is on this, and I definitely recommend keeping all of your content on a separate hard drive so that if your computer crashes or if anything happens, you have all of your content. So yeah, I even have Photoshop on here. I have iMovie on here. I do everything off of this 1 terabyte drive. Another thing is this holds your phone. So you can put your phone in here, and by this little screw, I can connect it right there onto my tripod and take pictures wherever I need to. And I use this Bluetooth remote to do that. So I just use this little Bluetooth remote, click, oh, it's still on, you turn it off. And yeah, this is how I take my Instagram pics sometimes, with these little things, my tripod and my ring light. Another thing that you guys definitely need is a charger for your camera batteries, and you need more than one camera battery, okay? Don't be fooled. You need more than one. You need at least 3, honestly, because at any moment it can die. Like mine just died just now and I had to switch them out. So get 3 camera batteries and get like a double charger so that you can switch them out whenever you need to, okay? And also this tripod, I use this for when I'm vlogging. It's like an extendable tripod, so it can go out like this, it can go short. I can just easily put the little legs out and set it down when I need to. And you need a 128 gigabyte SD card. If you have an SD card less than that, you're just gonna get mad, okay? Because it runs out so quickly. I think I filmed like 2 days worth of vlogs and my card was full. So imagine if you had anything less than that. That's all the goodies I have in my YouTube studio. I'll link everything down below for you guys. I got pretty much all of this stuff off of Amazon. If you want to purchase any of this stuff, you can just click the link down below and get your YouTube studio started. There's some things that I want to get. I need some more storage in here because this makeup storage is like so horrible. And then I have literally my hair stuff shoved into this one tiny thing. Like I need some more storage. And I want like an actual mount for this TV.
So I want to be able to mount this to like a tripod instead of having it on top of this stuff I have it on. Yeah, just trying to give you guys the YouTube tea, okay?